Get ready, Apple isn't just updating a smartwatch this time. It's rewriting the entire narrative of wearable tech. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is coming, and if leaks and insider reports are even halfway accurate, you're looking at Apple's most powerful, rugged, and intelligent smartwatch yet. Whether you're scaling a mountain, training for a triathlon, or just flexing some serious tech at your local coffee shop, the Ultra 3 is set to be your ultimate digital companion. This isn't just for casual users. This is built for the explorers, athletes, adventurers, and anyone who wants the absolute best Apple has to offer on their wrist. So what's new? Let's start with one of the biggest game changers: two-way satellite communication. This means you can send and receive messages without your iPhone, without cellular service, and without Wi-Fi. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or stuck somewhere off-grid, you'll still be able to stay connected. And it's not just about emergencies. Even everyday texts can now be sent from your watch alone. With companies like Starlink pushing into this space, Apple's stepping up to make sure the Ultra 3 can go places other watches simply can't. Connectivity doesn't stop there. For the first time, Apple is bringing true 5G support to a wearable. This isn't just faster browsing. This means real-time video calls, instant Siri responses, ultra-responsive cloud apps, and AR map features right on your wrist. It's basically a full internet experience shrunk down and optimized for your arm. Combine that with Apple's rumored new S10 or S10 Pro chip, you've got serious performance boosts. Think faster app launches, longer battery life, smarter AI health insights, and potentially even better charging speeds. Rumors suggest we could see up to 80 hours of battery life in low power mode, and around 60 in regular use thanks to a combination of chip efficiency and a dynamic refresh rate display. Speaking of the display, things going to shine, literally. The Ultra 3 is expected to feature a next-gen micro-lens array OLED screen. It's pushing over 3,000 nits of brightness, making it ideal for bright outdoor use. Add in a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it could become the smoothest, most responsive Apple Watch screen ever. For those on the go, fast charging also looks to be getting an upgrade, possibly dropping full charge times to under an hour with Apple's latest magnetic charging tech. Now let's talk about health tracking, a core part of Apple's wearable vision. While fans have been hoping for non-invasive blood pressure monitoring, it's unlikely to debut in the Ultra 3 due to regulatory and calibration delays. However, Apple isn't coming empty-handed. We're expecting improvements across the board: sleep apnea detection, better AFib tracking, more accurate core temperature sensing, real-time hydration levels, and new running dynamic sensors. In short, the Ultra 3 continues Apple's push into preventative health and personalized fitness, now powered by smarter AI and on-device processing. Visually, don't expect a radical redesign. Apple likes to refine, not reinvent, especially in the Ultra lineup. Still, small but meaningful upgrades are likely, like a redesigned digital crown with improved grip, thinner bezels, and possibly a matte space gray titanium option. The most interesting rumor? Modular side buttons that users could swap out depending on their needs, like a camera shutter, workout launcher, or satellite ping button. It's still being tested, but if it makes the cut, it could take customization to a new level. As expected, MILT's TD durability, 100 meters water resistance, and scuba certifications will carry over, making this a truly rugged premium watch. Now, zooming out, this isn't just about a new watch, it's part of Apple's massive fall 2025 product wave. Alongside the Ultra 3, we might see the iPhone 17 Pro, AI-powered AirPods Pro 3, MacBook Pros with neural compute cores, and even a teaser for the long-awaited Apple glasses. The Ultra 3 is meant to be the central hub in this ecosystem. Your personal coach, navigator, and emergency communicator, all rolled into one. Don't forget the software side either. Launching with the watch will be watchOS 26, bringing a redesigned smart stack. Offline Siri with on-device processing, personalized coaching powered by Apple's new Intelligentsia AI system, and topographic maps with offline navigation. Combined with satellite messaging and 5G, this could make the Ultra 3 the most useful standalone device Apple has ever created. Is it worth the hype? Honestly, yes. With groundbreaking connectivity, a blazing bright old display, AI-enhanced health features, up to 80 hours of battery life, and full integration into Apple's next-gen ecosystem. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be more than just a watch. It's a survival tool, a fitness coach, and your most reliable link to the outside world. Whether you're deep in the wild, knee-deep in your training, or just hungry for the best, this could be the smartwatch of the year. If you're excited about the Ultra 3, smash that like button and drop a comment below telling us what feature you're most pumped for. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech coverage and future breakdowns. And before you go, check out our next video right here on the end screen. It's a full preview of the iPhone 17 Ultra and how it fits into Apple's AI-powered 2025 revolution. Thanks for watching and stay Ultra.